Lovable Frances, Friendly Fire, down on the inside is Windsor Lady, Gray Magic in the middle, moving up down on the inside, ho, 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 alongside is IMAX Reporter, and from this moment is the early trader, passing the half-mile post, Lovable Frances by ahead. Windsor Lady down on the inside, Friendly Fire racing third by some 2 lengths, moving up by the release, ho, 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 Gray Magic's racing fifth by a length and a half, rounding the far turn, Lovable Frances, Windsor Lady, ho, 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 is racing in third, Friendly Fire, Gray Magic, IMAX Reporter from this moment as they race the final corner. Lovable Frances, number 6 by some 2 lengths. Windsor Ladies running by the run. Ho, ho, ho remains in third. Friendly Fire, Gray Magic Reporter, IMAX from this moment. And hitting the finish line, Lovable Frances, Friendly Fire, Gray Magic. And finally, Lovable Frances, Friendly Fire, Gray Magic close. Ho, 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 Windsor Lady Reporter, IMAX, and from this moment comes last through all the way.